Hey y'all, it's me and the first quarter candles for 2022 from Forvr Mood by jackieaina. And if you're interested in knowing a little bit more about the first quarter candles that we received for 2022, what do they smell like? What was the free gift? Do I like these candles? And a surprise guest during this video, please stay tuned. So I'm actually not sure how I should title this video because we actually did not receive any candles for the fourth quarter of 2021. We actually received the fourth quarter candles in February of 2022. So I think maybe I'm just going to call this the first quarter of 2022 Candle Club candles. I don't know. But that's okay though that we didn't receive the last quarter of 2021. That's okay. And also Jackie has some new candles out. I think they're Mood Point 2 or 2.0 or something like that. I'll make sure to put the name here on the screen. I have not purchased those yet. I'm waiting until they go on sale and until I get a coupon code, and then I'm thinking about purchasing them. Here is what we got for the first quarter of 2022 for the Candle Club. We got Dream Girl and Lover Boy. Oh boy. And it's cute, you know, it has little stickers on the outside so that you can see which one is which. And I'm assuming that we got these titles because of Valentine's Day, which is coming next week. So maybe that's why we've got Dream Girl and Lover Boy. I don't know. I think that the titles and the names for these candles are just so cute. So then we have our lovely boxes, nicely packaged so that they don't break, which I do appreciate. I just wish that we had a cuter box instead of these, but that's all right though. I'm not going to give up either. You know, one of these days, Jackie is going to listen to my reviews and she's going to agree with me that these should come in the beautiful boxes as well. This is what Dream Girl is looking like, and it's just a regular white candle, gold, the sticker, the typical ones that we see for the Candle Club. And this is one of 2,500 or 2,500, whichever way you prefer to say it. That's what this is. So here's the card that we also received in the box. And let me just go ahead and read to you what the back of the card says about Dream Girl. New year, new candle club moods. Happy 2022 Candle Club crew. To kick off the new year, we've created 2 new exclusive scents with a twist just for you. This winter's club includes the candle duo Dream Girl and Lover Boy. Of course, it's not a Candle Club drop if there isn't a special treat for the crew, and this is where she talks about the free gift that we received. In addition to the candle duo, we are giving you a travel size Forvr Mood room spray. And it's either cuffing season or left on red. And I received cuffing season. And I'm glad that I received cuffing season because this was my favorite of the 2. Now you can take your fave Forvr scent wherever you go. And this is what the free gift is looking like. And this is actually very nice. You know, she's doing much better with the free gifts, and it's not broken, which is nice. It's sealed, not leaking. So yes, this is very, very nice, and I like this gift. And I'm also wearing the last gift that we got, the necklace. I'm wearing that in this video. These are actual gifts that I'll actually use. So thank you so much, Jackie, for stepping up the free gift game. Let's get back to Dream Girl. But before I read to you what it says on the back of the card, I'm going to smell it to see if I can guess what these scents are. It smells good. It smells good. I have no idea. I have no idea. Something floral, maybe? Baby? Baby lotion, floral, candy, something sweet. It smells really good, really soft, very feminine. I love it, whatever it is. This isn't going to be a gift. No one's getting this one, so I can tell you that. It's very floral and feminine and baby and soft. That's how I describe it. Let's see what's in this. For Dream Girl, the top is cotton candy. I said something sweet. I did say that. Raspberry, apple, grapefruit. Mid is rose, violet, and cedar. So I did say I smelled some flowers. The base is cashmere, musk, vanilla, and sandalwood. I really like this scent. And again, it's like, who was sitting in the lab kind of mixing up these scents to see that they were going to smell like this? It really does smell very soft, very floral. I would burn this in my bedroom. Clean linen, like it just smells really good. This is my favorite line, but I have to say, I really like this one. Really like this one. Here is Loverboy. Oh my God, these boxes. Ugh. You know, I gotta go to work today. Can I hurry up and do this video, please? There we go. Again, packaged very well. Ooh. Here's what Loverboy is looking like. Again, I'm just gonna be honest, nothing spectacular. It's not giving me, this is the Candle Club. I feel like that is more of the Candle Club versus this, but this is her signature. This is what she typically does for her candles. So, you know, it is what it is. And I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I'm gonna keep buying them. So I don't know why I keep complaining. Uh-oh. I can already smell this already and I don't like it. It's strong. It is a stronger scent. I don't know if that's a vanilla scent that I'm smelling also with some type of a musk, but that's what the last one was. So I don't know. This is more masculine. I got a cat, you guys. So if you hear some scratching or meowing, that's my cat. Masculine and say hi to Paisley, everybody. Paisley, don't hit that candle. Be careful, okay? There's a candle right there. I don't want you to burn your tail. Come here. Okay, okay, there you go. Okay, there you go. I will do a separate video on Paisley and why I decided to adopt a cat. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to hear that story. Back to the candle. Some wood chips maybe, and some vanilla with some musk. I don't know what the scent is, but it's not bad, but it's stronger and it's more masculine. Loverboy. The top is biscuit. What? Like some biscuits? Like what? Biscuit, butter, cinnamon, powdered sugar. The middle is chicory, clove, and lemon. The base is cotton candy, Mayan vanilla, malt, bourbon, and musk. So I'm getting a little bit. I said musk, I said vanilla, I said some wood. So yeah, biscuit. Like, what is that? Like the scent of fresh baked biscuits? Like what is biscuit? I don't know. I know what powdered sugar is. I know what cinnamon is. I know what butter is. Chicory. I've heard of chicory. I think growing up on the east side of Youngstown, one of our neighbors used to dig chicory out of our yard. And I thought it was dandelion, to be honest with you, and she used to do that. She was an Italian woman. Unfortunately, she did not allow her children to play with us because we were black, and her daughter was not allowed to grow her hair long because she didn't want anyone to think that she was Puerto Rican. So yeah, that's what I remember about chicory. Yeah, not a good memory. Maybe that's why I didn't like this candle. I don't know. As always, let's have a conversation down below. What do you think about the first quarter candles for 2022? Is it something that you might want to try? Just to try something new, try something different? Is it something that maybe you just want to support someone that looks like you and so you want to give it a try? Is it something that, hey, you want to support your girl, jackieaina? Do you like these scents and the descriptions that I gave to you? And what about the packaging? What do you think about that? Do you think that these are pretty? Do you think that some of her other lines are prettier? Let's have a conversation down below. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.